come out from the gym, yeah. Hello, welcome to Fitous. Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we going to make something different. We call Bai Cha Plu Song Thương. Yeah, Bai Cha Plu, English we call wild betel leaf. Yeah, good for the summer. That's it, yeah. And then I show how the Bai Cha Plu look like. Yeah, look like this. You take the leaf out and wash it. Take the nice one. How many leaves you want? The ingredient for today, the ingredient we cannot say filling, but we put on top of the leaf. Yeah, how to say that one? But the ingredient we use the prawn. We mince it first. We fry with garlic, black pepper, and coriander root. And this one, rice flour, light soy sauce, or oyster sauce, egg, sugar. Here we go. Now we mince prawn first. You know how to mince prawn?
Yes.
Okay, take the vein out. Yeah, just take the vein out. Okay, and after this we mince. Okay. Okay, then you wash the leaf. Okay, we mix the rice flour. Put the flour. Let me see how many spoons. Yeah, put 5. And then beat the egg. And then just mix with the water. You can put the water bit by bit. And stir. And you can see not too thick, not too light. Yeah, just like this. Okay, now we on the gas. Put the cooking oil in the wok to fry the leaf. ขอบใจ Okay, let's see the oil is hot enough to fry. Yep. Okay, this is hot enough. You can see. Yeah. Then now you put this one and put the leaf. Okay, we try the first leaf first. The flour thick enough or too light. You can see. If not, we put more rice flour. We try the first one. Maybe a little bit light. Let's see. Look น่ารักนะ I think a little bit light. Yeah, we add a little bit more flour. Let's try the second one. Okay, once we get the leaf done, now we make the filling. ใช่ไหม before filling ไหม because when you eat you put this one on top and then you eat it. Yeah. You can use the same wok. This one garlic, black pepper and coriander root we always make and keep in the fridge like we did before. Yeah. Okay, we put a little bit. You fry until you get a nice smell. When you get nice smell, the color turn to golden brown, you put the minced prawn and fry it. Okay, when you cook the prawn, yeah, the prawn have cooked, you add soy sauce, half tablespoon first. You 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Three-quarter of sugar tablespoon, and then you taste some like a sweet taste or salty taste. Let me taste a bit. Last we put sliced spring onion, coriander and sweet chilli. Just make it look nice. Okay, now you put in the bowl. Now you put the leaf on the plate. Okay, now the leaf Bai Cha Plu look like this, and the filling look like this. Okay, go and try.
So here we are. We're gonna try this Bai Cha Plu song khương. Put a bit in there. Ah, it's good. It's almost like khanom ji, but inside out and with no wrap, just the leaf. Yeah, alloy. Different.
For the hot pepper like this, yeah, very nice, like a snack.
I think nice with the beer. And you could probably use, I don't know, spring green leaves instead, if you can't get. A really good umami laden. Not really spicy, but lots of flavor coming through. And then with the Bai Cha Plu, the betel leaf, really goes well together. So yeah, give that a try, and we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.